Hello everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to change the date format in a PDF using BoloForms. So as soon as you open your PDF editor and upload the PDF that you want to send to your signees, you will be able to see a lot of fields over here. So when you click and drag and drop the date field and place it where you want it to be placed, you will not be able to see on what particular format this date is. To check on that, you can click onto that and then select the edit styles option over here and then scroll a little down and you will be able to see this particular option called select date format. So when you click onto this drop down arrow over here, you will be able to see different date formats that are available. So mainly these different date formats are used because different countries use different date formats. For example, in USA they use the MMDDYY format, and while as in the Asian countries they use the DDMMYY format. And also in certain cases, standardizing the date format ensures uniformity across all your documents, making it easier to read and reducing the risk factors. So these are the different date formats that we offer in BoloSign, and you can choose any desired date format that you like, and just send this document to your signee after filling out all the other details of it. So when your signee they receive this particular document, while they are filling out this particular field, the response that they fill out will be filled in the date format that you have selected. I hope this would have been useful to you. Thank you.